Okay, so now we're going to talk about cylinders. So total surface area and lateral. Okay, you know what a cylinder is. A cylinder is a what? The shape, yes.
It's like a 3D.
That's like a 3D jar, a cup. Okay? Now, the net of a cylinder is really weird. Okay?
That looks like a division sign.
So, it has a big long what? Rectangle and two what? Circles. Okay? This is a cylinder. I would do total surface area if I was going to cover this. If I was the person who made this thing that goes around here, this is lateral because am I putting a sticker around this jar?
Yes.
I am around. Am I putting it on the bottom?
No.
Or the top? So people who make these stickers that go around jars like this, that's when you would need lateral. So make sure you know the difference between total and lateral. Now please look at your formula chart. Underneath surface area, underneath cylinders. What is the formula for total surface area of a cylinder? A little bit slower. 2 pi RH
plus pi r squared.
2 pi r squared. Now, are there any capital letters here? No, so this means your life is going to be a little bit easier. Okay? For lateral, what is the area, the formula for lateral?
S equals 2 pi r.
2 pi RH. Thank you. 2 pi RH. No capital letters, so this is going to be simply taking stuff, plugging it in. So we're going to draw one cylinder, and then we're going to find both. Remember, for a cylinder, your top is a circle, and your bottom is a circle. Okay? So your top is a circle and your bottom. If I give you the diameter, can you figure out the radius? By doing what? Dividing by 2. Okay, so we have this jar, or this can, and it has a radius of 6 inches. What's the diameter? 12. Okay? Now, yesterday we talked about the height. The height is the distance between two what? Bases. So your height right here is going to be 11 inches. And that's pretty much all the numbers they're going to give you. So let's take our formula and let's plug it in. 2. Now you can use the pi button or you can use 3.14. If you choose to use the pi button, you have to remember to what? Round down just a little bit. Okay? In this picture, what's my radius? 6. In this picture, what's my height? 11. Plus 2 times 3.14. What's my radius? 6 squared. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to plug all that into the calculator. 2 times 3.14 times 6 times 11 plus 2 times 3.14 times 6 squared. This is if you use 3.14. If you use pi, it might be different. 640.56 inches squared. If you use pi, yours might be a little bit bigger. Okay?
640.
Is that easy? You take a formula, you plug it in. This one doesn't have anything tricky. It doesn't have anything tricky. There's no perimeter of a base. There's no area of a base. This is just straight up plug in numbers. Okay? So now, for the lateral, I would plug in 2 times 3.14 times what? 6 times what? 11.
414.48 inches squared.
Okay, pretty easy.
48.
probably use pi.
He probably used pi, yeah. Okay. Is this easy?
Yeah.
Yes. Cylinders are very, very easy. Pyramids are not too hard, but you do have to draw the net. Basically using the formula, plugging it in. The thing that tricked some people last period is they were trying to do some of this in their head and then add it, and then they were putting the wrong numbers. If you write the formula and write the numbers, then write the answer. I'm not asking you to show me what you get every time. I'm asking you to write the formula, show me the numbers, show me the answer. That's all I'm asking you to do. Okay? Yes, on each question.